Starting in the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Today our topic of discussion is Golgi bodies. What is Golgi bodies? Golgi bodies consist of a system of membrane, bounded, flattened sac in the form of a stake. Golgi bodies is cell organelles which is present inside the cytoplasm and outside the nucleus. It composed of a sac which has a membrane which is known as cisterna, just like the endoplasmic reticulum, but the difference is that the cisterna of the endoplasmic reticulum is interconnected. They are interconnected while these cisterna are independent. The discovery of Golgi bodies is carried by Camillo Golgi in 1898, and that is why due to this scientist the name got Golgi body or Golgi complex. The chemical composition of Golgi bodies is similar to the majority of the cell organelles like lipid, protein and enzyme. The structure is somewhat simple and very close to the endoplasmic reticulum. It is next to the endoplasmic reticulum in the cytoplasm. These are just a stake which has cisterna and vesicle arise from the transphase of the cisterna. Cisterna has two faces. The one which is near to the nucleus and on the same side of the nucleus is known as cis phase, while the other which is away is known as transphase. The material came out from the endoplasmic reticulum, directly entered to the cis phase inside the cisterna or Golgi apparatus. They wrap up or the modification take place and the modified form release on the trans surface of the Golgi apparatus. In plant, this cisterna is also known as dictysome. The cisterna plus vesicle combinedly known as Golgi complex. The function of the Golgi complex is very easy. It is responsible for cell secretion, for the modification of material which are already synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum. Later on they are modified inside the Golgi apparatus. It is responsible for the synthesis of polysaccharide, a long chain sugar. It is also responsible for packaging or wrapping of material, for the transportation of material, and it secretes a lot of digestive enzyme like in the case of pancreatic cell. This all was about Golgi bodies. Thank you.